In this video, you'll see how easy it is to remove a subscriber from a specific campaign using tags. Starting off in your campaign, you'll click Add Automation on the right-hand side. And we'll choose the tag we want to use to remove people. It could be tags like remove or stop campaign. You can even have multiple tags. Now you'll see that when this tag is applied, remove or stop, the person will be removed from this campaign. Now you can add those remove or stop tags either manually per subscriber, or multiple subscribers at the same time using the bulk tagging tool.